Hi, I'm Luca from Echidna Sewing, and today we're looking at the adjustable zipper / piping foot. This foot is great for preventing the foot from riding up on top of the zipper coil and can be used to sew close to the welt / piping. To attach this foot, you will need to remove the shank. Attach the foot to the same location by securing it in place with the shank screw. Before sewing, select the straight stitch with the needle in the center position. Be sure to position the foot over the long feed dogs, either on the left or right side. Press the needle up-down button and adjust the foot so the needle is close to the foot without touching. When sewing, keep the foot as close as possible to the edge of the zipper teeth, or piping, for a neater finish. And that's how you use your adjustable zipper / piping foot.